So today's video is just a whole bunch of game clips compiled together, the ones that I thought were funny. So yeah, hope you like it, and tell me if you want more videos like this because they're pretty easy to make. Bye.
Give me that chair. Chair's green. Green chair. Green chair mine. Green top.
Oh, old man's got a gun. Hey, old man, shoot me. I fucking dare you. I freaking dare you, buddy. Who's even got the knife? Who's even got the knife? I just see people. Oh, I think it's a girl behind me. Actually, I trust you. Alright, that should be good. Oh! Is this you?
Mama.
Hell yeah, I'm your mama.
Mama.
Boy. Mom's gonna give you some damn milk.
Go this way. Go back. Go back. Go back. Go back. Run. Run. Run.
Wait.
Run. You run right now. Okay, I'm dead.
Oh.
He's dead.
Yep, he's dead. Dude. Yes. Dimitri. Found a green thing though. Found a green thing. Up. God dang it. I died right here. Who took my body? Oh, it's right here in the corner. Give me with you.
Dimitri! Okay.
Benny, what's your name? Come hide with me.
I am the killer.
Fantastic.
Wait, you're the killer. How could you? That's why I'm not telling you my name. Tina, behind you.
Damn it!
Emo girl. Tina, e-girl, Tina, run.
An e-girl,
Oh!
e-girl.
I didn't know if you knew
An e-girl, Tina, it's an e-girl.
Sorry.
Fucking reach.
Look at this guy just walking up to me all chill. Give me a big old kiss. When. Hey. Oh. I can still dance though. Yeah, you suck.
How can you do that?
If I was ever the killer, I
wouldn't.
wouldn't. I would have beat it.
Number
5,
15. Burger King foot lettuce.
that's
Your
him?
mom's a hoe. Yes, that's Chills.
I never knew that was him. I thought that was Leafy. What's the Day of the Dead called? In
Spanish?
Yeah, in Spanish.
Dia de Muertos.
Definitely
Yes, that is
not.
definitely.
The gun. Where's the gun at? Because I'm about to come swoop that thing as a shooter. Yeah.
Ah!
I got it. Shooter brain.
Gone, fuck!
Shooter brains. Oh!
Yeah!
I love viciously killing little kids on Roblox.
I'm X-ray again. I'm a clown.
I'm a
What the fuck?
bystander. You're
I'm a
X-ray?
clown, guys.
You're a clown? It's definitely him. It's definitely him because he's a clown. The clown was it last time. Here, let's go hide. Bennett, where you at?
Where'd you go?
We went in this
I'm gonna go
little
look
room.
for.
Oh, click X on it. If you get 5, you can get a gun. Behind you, Bennett.
Oh. Fuck off! Coronavirus.
What's up, boy?
Damn!
お前はもう死んでいる。
Nani? Kill emo girl.
Hey, the emo one got me. Called it punch Yoda. Like the guys just started punching Yoda over and over.
That's funny.
Remember when you jumped off the top of this bridge and you didn't die, and then I shot you? Yes. Let's flash back to that.
I can't tell what engine that is. It's so low poly. I can't fucking see the engine.
Just get your flashlight. Here, I got you. Do I have a flashlight? Yeah, I got a flashlight. Let me see.
You know, what are you saying up for? I did open it up. It's open. What the? It closed again.
No! I thought that was my flashlight! Oh my.
All right, well, I was gonna open it up. That's $8,000. That was $8,000 from me, anyways.
That's 20,000 for both of y'all. Oh, dude. Oh no. I don't even know whose car that was. Dude! Where's the button for your flashlight? Oh, it's the other one. Oh. Oh. Ah. Come on, man. I was gonna pay you back. I don't want any trouble. I'm just filling in a complaint. Hey! Hey!
Station!
Oh my god. Hack this thing. Hack this thing. Put the damn hard drive in. Yeah, you're dead. It's so annoying.
No, the hardest one is where you gotta go around the map and kill guys.
Oh my god,
If you have
y'all
something-
pulling up too? See you on the flip side, buddy.
Trash in there! Go! Right there!
I hate you. See, what sound do flamingos make?
Do what? Flamingos?
Yeah, what sound does a flamingo make for real?
I don't know, look it up. You should.
Dude, it's something you can't look up. You have to.
I'm looking for shrimp.